Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a Rancilio silvia Espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it was leaking from the boiler gasket, and we just replaced that. And we also replaced we gave this machine a tune-up and replaced the gasket on the port filter, as well as replaced the shower screen. You can see this one is completely clogged and it was really bad. And all these that you see around here was pretty much inside the shower screen, as well as inside the group head. So let's test the machine out. And now a shot of espresso. Let's cool down the machine.
Seriously, I completely agree. And then finish it.
Let's wait for this. It's already at temperature, so let's just do the shot. Hopefully I got this grind set up correctly for this machine so we can see a good shot, and unfortunately it's way too coarse for this machine. The coffee grind needs to be way fine, and you can definitely tell it's not really great. But the shower screen is working perfectly fine. You can now see water coming out through here properly. You definitely should see this kind of shower motion in there. You don't really see it, and that means that your shower screen, this one is completely clogged. If you see like spraying, then this means it's like completely clogged almost. So this is the way your water should come out from this machine. So thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.